You ever been that kid who, someone says, oh, I like the way Polly's behaving. I like the way Polly's lining up. But what if I'm that kid next door that doesn't care the way Polly's lining up? I don't like Polly anyway. And she always gets all the stickers and the charts and the whatevers, so I'm going to beat her up at recess. All right? Polly wants attention, I'll give her attention. I'll kick her rear end at recess. All right? That's what some of those kids are hearing. Because, see, the positive reward system also works well for the child who knows what to do. You don't just learn what to do by someone saying, I like the way you're doing it, when you're not the one doing it right. You need to be told, hey, this is the way you sit. Move over here, put your legs down here, and put your arms here, and that'll be helpful. Not, I like the way you're sitting. It works for kids who have the goods, who know what to do. Right now, we have a huge amount of kids who don't know what to do in either circumstance, whether it comes to punishment or positive reward. So that's why those systems have such huge gaps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.